Good morning, and kapapangan maya paabak. Welcome to build day 15. For those of you that were waiting for build day 14 to be loaded, my apologies. We had some extra errands last night, so I didn't get around to editing it yet. That'll be first order of business this morning, is to edit that and get it up online. So you'll have a double upload today. It'll be day 14 this morning, or sorry, this evening for most of you that are in the States, and tomorrow morning, by the time you get up, you should have day 15 uploading quickly. First order of business on the site today, they're starting to erect the column footers. So they already put the footer cages in the most of the locations. They're still finishing that up this morning with the spacer blocks underneath. They're looking to pour concrete this coming Monday. So we're moving right along. Well, let's get today started. As I was saying earlier, you get the guys are starting to erect the column footers. The columns are going up, footers are already down. Just gotta check to make sure that they're in the right locations as we go along. They're still moving hollow block onto the floor plan of the house so that it's easier to move the blocks around when they get ready to start building the foundation walls. So that's pretty much what's going on first thing this morning. So the guys are putting the column in the correct location, using the string lines to get where they need to be, and then they'll secure the base. Working all sides at the same time. Once they got the footer in place, or the column in place on the footer cage, they go ahead and wire it in place. Once they got it wired in place, they'll secure the top with support beams. Alright, so Been a little bit since I walked around. These guys are moving right along. Got 4 columns up on this side, 4 columns on the other side. I think they're kind of racing each other. The soil's kind of dry. Some of the sidewalls keep collapsing. And little by little, they're just cleaning out the foundations, where the foundation walls are going to be. So I'll clean it out and put in some aggregate at the bottom and continue. Making sure the outside edge is in line with the string line. And I use a plumb bob to do that, just to lower the line down to the right location. Give it a couple whacks, get it straight. Once they got it in the right location, they'll wire tie the bottom of it to make sure it stays in location, and secure the top with braces. And then they're connecting the top of the bar. They're connecting the top of the bars with a little bit of rebar as well, so that they stay in the right spot, side to side. Still sifting sand. And this is the other side of the house. Placing the like I said, once they get it in place, they secure the bottom, wire tie it, come up to the top, secure it at the top as well, so it's got a brace. Okay, so the other thing these guys are doing is, once they've got the column uprights in the right locations, they're going back with the C-bars, and they're starting to place the supporting rebar for the foundation walls. So all of these will have rebar in it underneath, and that'll be the base for the CHB foundation walls before they start digging. These will also have L-bar upright. These are the L-bars that I was telling you about they're using. So these will go underneath the, here's an example they showed me. So for example, this is going to be the foundation, the base of the foundation wall. So you got your supporting members. These will go underneath. And this piece of rebar will go up through the concrete hollow blocks, and then they'll reinforce that with mortar over the top. So these are the completed columns. Little brace here on the side. Braced side to side for each other so they're not moving. Spacer blocks underneath. All wired up. Just about ready for concrete. They should be looking to pour concrete on Monday, which will be day 18. Happens sooner, you'll see it here. These are the foundation wall rebar down at the bottom, going through the columns. These guys are lifting up the column for the corner of the master bedroom. If you can look on the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, on the frame, they've already got it located where it's supposed to go. One. Yabba dabba doo. Well, that's the end of day 15 on Casa TexPina. The guys had to lift a lot of rebar today. So they've gotten, what did I have the number at? I believe it was 26 out of the 31 column footers are all in place. They're still working on the foundation walls as far as the rebar that goes in the bottom. They'll work on those tomorrow and then finish dressing those up for Friday and Saturday. We are still looking to pour on Monday morning, starting early on Monday. The engineers mentioned we will be using a ready mix truck and a pumper truck, so it should be interesting to see because it's not usual construction here in the Philippines, so it'll be nice to see and be able to watch and show you guys how that works here. So like I said, the guys have been busy today. Let's take a look around real quick. You can see behind me there are a lot of column footers open. So until next time, if you like the videos, please hit the little thumbs up button. You want to subscribe, hit the little TexPina star down in the bottom right hand corner. You'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll see when we upload our next video. Until then, God bless. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when our next video becomes available.